When I'm filming, I usually stand out to the side, and then I basically started off with the Riese Muller, and then based upon the tension of the head, so I started off at the side, we got the Riese Muller carpet, we come up, I have the subject, and then just for the purpose of this, I had the light on the camera so you can see it, but having the light on the stand allowed me to adjust the light needed to be. So as you can see in the video, hopefully, we're able to change the lighting quickly, and having the light on the roller allows me to just quickly adjust the light where needed. I'm just showing you guys for the purpose of this. Since I'm doing this, I might as well go over here. So having the tripod, I'm going to widen it since I'm a little bit taller. So we have the light, I'll light up the camera so you can see the camera, which is a Sony FX3 lens. It's a 14-24 Sigma full frame. That is the A camera on top of a Gitzo tripod. I have the rolling NANLITE 200 with a 26-volt battery, and I'm looking out for glare, removing glare, but having this rolling stand on this hardwood floor, as you can see, is much easier than me trying to lift light stands. So no cables. The NANLITE Forza 200, I'm able to use my 26-volt battery, and I have it down a little bit low. One of the things why I like using SMDV from South Korea is that I want to be able to work the fastest I can possibly work. And sometimes you don't have a lot of time to set up. So this is the SMDV Speedbox Flip 44 from South Korea. It has a unlock on the back, says unlock. Unlock. We are on location in New Hampshire. And the softbox folds up. There's some, and I have a bag that it comes with. And as you can tell, this one, I can add a Bowens mount. The NANLITE series of Forza uses Bowen mounts. So on the back of this, it says change adapter. So we can change the adapter by sliding it in. And once it's locked in, it's locked in. So that's locked in. So the adapter folds, and then on the softbox itself, it has some pivots. So there's some pivots on the softbox itself. This is how it unfolds. So I make sure it's loosened up a little bit, but once it's loosened up, you basically just, now it has to be, there you go. Once you feel a little tension, you just try to make sure, and clicks in. Right back here, there's a lock. Unfolds, locks under pressure, and then you just squeeze it together, and you'll hear hopefully a click. And then with the Bowens mount, you just have to line it up. And once you have, and it just clicks in, hopefully you heard that. And then now you have a very fast setup that you can roll around. 34%. I think it was roughly about 24%. So this is my single light on location setup. We did a product highlight video today at Seacoast e-bikes. We utilized this bike. Right here, it's a Riese Muller. We added a bunch of products to it. So I own a Riese Muller Homage dual speed, high speed with roll off. This is the place I bought my bike. And today I got to work with Steve, the owner of Seacoast, and the two gentlemen that he has working with him. So that's today. This is my BTS. I did not use my GoPro today, but I do have my main audio, Technical Sync E. So we have it hooked up, so I'm able to look at the audio gains and see how it's looking. I'm at 98% battery. So this is a good thing to have when you're on location. And then this Sony hooked up to my B camera, which is recording the Atomos. So this is my B camera. It's a ZV E10 with a Sony 18-105 f4 lens. And actually we're recording right now. I have this camera as my backup camera. And then I have this little so just to show that this is my little B camera that I was using for today. Actually, just for this video, I didn't get to use it because we just did a one camera setup. But we do have this Sony wireless hooked up directly to this mic that does digital audio. And I have that going directly to this camera. All right, just want to say happy holidays.
Hi, this is Steve from Seacoast e-bikes in tax-free Newington, New Hampshire. Today we're going to show you a number of accessories that you can add to your e-bike to make it even more enjoyable. The bike that we're going to use to demonstrate these accessories is the Riese Muller Charger 3. This bike has the Vario transmission and the long-range dual battery.